Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Okay, so I'm working on AO28. I'm gonna replace the filter can capacitors. I have 40 at 450 volt, 40 at 400 volt, and 30 at 350 volt can. It goes right here, and then I have a 50 can that goes right there at 500 volts. It goes right over here. This one is a drop in and twist. Drop it in and twist the legs, and it fits in. This other one I have to use, for the small one I have to use this bracket. I've already touched the post here, so I have to remove any charge in the can. I've also twisted these, make it easy for this can to drop out. I have to use my soldering iron to unsolder that right there. I've also taken pictures already. Got my grandson Austin over here observing and learning. Let me go ahead, since I got this in my hand. Let's go ahead and twist that. Let me get my needle nose. My heavier duty needle nose, not these little things, but let's see. There you go. Yeah, they're working. Wasn't sure if them things were gonna be strong enough. Yep, they working. Get right up in there. And then this one right here I have to solder. Okay. So that's all set. I've already touched these here to dissipate the charge. So now I'm ready to begin unsoldering my wires from the filter cans here so I can replace them. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that process. Till the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, along with Austin. Getting some work done today. Till the next video. Peace out.